Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be giving you top 5 interlude of 2021. I'll start with the number 5. So number 5, I'll be doing all of them in the key of C. So number 5. So you could see that before I started, I played Ọba lórí ayé, lórí ayé. So these grooves are good for songs that have call and response, like Jehovah reign, he reign, songs like that. Then that space in between, you play the grooves. Or who has the final say? Jehovah has the final say. That space, you play the groove. So, Ọba lórí ayé, lórí ayé. Then you play the groove. All right. So now that we know when to apply the groove, let's see the grooves. The fifth, number 5, is we are starting with the la do, ti. La do, ti. Very simple, just like that. The same thing, left hand, right hand. La do, ti, ti. After playing this upper octave, just come down to the lower octave. It sounds sweet. So sometimes you can add the, so you play, you add the 3. La do, ti, ti, mi, la do, ti, ti. Like that. That's number 5. Now let's go to number 4. All right, so number 4, we are going to do so I'm playing 4 4 4 or 5 5 5 5, re 2 2 2, 3 3 3, then 2 2 2, 7 7 7, 1 7 6, fa fa fa, re mi re ti do ti la. All right, so the same thing applies to the left hand. Number 3 is quite simple. Is I love this groove. You can play it for so many songs. Do so so re so so do so so re so so do so so re so so. Just like that. You can play a variation of this. Is mi re mi la re la mi ra re la. Those songs that ends on the la. So re mi la la re. The main one is do do so so re re so so. All right, so let's go to number 2. Now I love number 2 as well. Number 2 is so la re mi re la re mi la fa mi la re mi la fa mi la re mi la fa mi. So 6 2 3 6 4 3, like that. Same thing applies to the left hand. Now finally let's go to number 1. I've been having so many requests to do the focus dance groove or beat. I've been having it for a very long time now, and I've not had the time to do it. So I just say let me add it to this top 5 grooves of 2021. So the focus beat, it was actually done in the key of C. If you have listened to the focus beat. All right, so it's simple. What you are going to do, your right hand, place your right hand like this. Make sure your thumb is on the 3 or the 3rd. Then your index finger on the 6th. Then the middle finger on the 8th. Then play the mi with the pinky. So what you are going to do is, so that's the first part. La, do, mi, re, do, la, la, mi, mi. So that's everything about it. Then you can add the variation. So la, do, mi, mi, re, la, la, do, mi, re, la. Then you go back to the normal. La, do, mi, re, do, la, la, mi, mi. La, do, mi, re, do, la, la, mi. My my left hand, I'm just following the, instead of playing la, la, mi, mi, I play the upper octave of la and the lower octave of la. La, 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 la. Upper octave of la, lower la, la. So I just spread my hands like this. Sometimes I add the mi. Sometimes I play the, but I prefer the la, la. And so. All right, so that is the top 5 grooves of 2021. Make sure you practice it and apply it to your praises. Play it with your band, rehearse it with your drummer and everybody in the. Well, make sure you tell the choristers to give you guys some time, some space to play these grooves before they enter another song or before they continue the song they are singing. right, so don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you.